and 1! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! I want their blood! Full push! 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 Dizzy push with me! Dizzy push with me! Get their blood! Boys, defensive. Okay, push them out, slowly push them out, boys. Okay, we're gonna re-engage in 4 seconds, boys. 4 seconds, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the gate again! These motherfuckers are dashing! They're dashing, boys! Give them! East! Spread and push! This house, boys! Spread and fucking push! Push them! Out the gate! Okay, come back south. Restabilize. That's what you fucking do, boys. That's my boys. This is my dude, boys. This is Jen. Let's fucking go. Okay, let's stay inside the terry. We chill. That's it. We fucking chill.
Tanggal.
Boys, they're still alive on the outside. Go southwest. We chill.
What the fuck?
They raised another one.
Zone? May nag-drop ng banner.
Okay.
Salamat. Ikot na talaga kami.
We chill. Go west side. With me west. Who's this on the north?
Zone.
Okay. Who? Okay, boys, look northwest.
Sir Will, if you want.
Wala nang sound si Marvin ko.
Okay, we just try to defend what we can muna. How much is zone? How much is their disarray? 18. Okay, we chill. They can't really do much. Fucking good job, boys. That's what I want. That's what I wanna see. Let's go.
Matay ka, sir?
Oo, namatay ako.
Namatay din ako.
Boys, make sure nobody taps on the banner. Or do they still have banner? Look northeast. On the ground with me. Boys. We're gonna shallow engage tayo ha. Northeast in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Dito lang on the wall, and come back. Defensive out. Tanks hold this choke. Tanks hold this choke.
From the northwest.
Yeah. Tanks hold this choke. Hold the choke. Wait for cooldowns. Hold the choke muna. Okay, we chill. Hold lang muna. Okay, we have engage. Hold muna, boys. Okay, boys, I need a fake engage.
Patay ako, Sir Wit.
Okay, walang fake engage. It's fine. Okay, boys. Hold that. We're gonna counter this, boys. We're gonna counter, boys. Look. In trying to counter shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Okay. Shallow. Come back. Boys, heals on me. Nice fucking heals. Okay, we hold. Come back south. Okay, boys, come with me. On the ground with me. Diesel, just hold the gate. Okay, hold the gate. I'm gonna try to go around. With me on the ground. Maldito on the ground. Dito. Okay, Diesel, tell me if they engage on the gate. If you can engage on the gate, Diesel, okay? Just shallow on the gate. Hold, boys, hold.
Zone is still north.
Hold. Okay, boys, get ready. Hold. Okay, no. Fucking shit. They're not falling for it. Follow the crown. They're not falling for it.
I'm resetting my battle mount.
Okay, boys, we have to... Okay. Yeah. No, west side with me. Dito.
May bomb squad nag-aabang dyan, Almo.
Reposition southeast with me. Dito. Diesel. I need you to counter engage, okay? You do counter engage for me. Okay, boys, look north to me, We're gonna do a shallow engage, hard north, shallow engage in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1, shallow engage me. I come back. Okay, defensive out. Nice defensives. Come back. Nice defensive, boys. Kite back lang. Nice defensive. That's good defensive. Okay, counter. Oh no, come back. It's good defensive. Nobody died. Okay, boys, we're gonna recount. Okay, we re-engage here. We re-engage in 5 seconds, boys. 5 seconds north. 5 seconds north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow with me north. Hard, shallow north. And come back agad. Come back southwest. Come back southwest. Nice engage. Come back southwest. Go through the gate. We have engaged in 5 seconds.
Never mind.
Okay, in the gate. Hold. Okay, look out the gate. Oh, what the fuck? What happened there? Okay, boys, come back south. Okay, boys, we're gonna engage them north, ha? We're gonna engage north. Hold muna. Get ready for defensives lang. Let them walk in.
Bomb squad going northeast.
Okay, hold. I need def tanks looking northeast, okay? I need def
Northeast
tanks
side,
looking
they're rotating
northeast.
east side, I think.
Okay, hold.
Mark
We don't let them pass.
Oh, zone, northwest.
Hard south muna. Hard south. Hard southeast with me. Follow the crown southeast. Nice one, boys. Okay, we're gonna pincer them. Boys, full engage tayo. Dito, shallow dito. Northeast. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Shallow with me. On the crown, shallow. On the crown. Kill the tanks. And then defensive out. Nice defensives, boys. Again, come back through the choke. Defensive out muna. Get ready, boys. We're gonna counter this in 5 seconds. Hold muna. Don't let them in. Okay, boys, we're gonna counter this in. We're gonna counter shallow north. Walk out. Shallow north in 5,
They just
in
engage
4,
diesels,
3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Northwest. And come back. Defensive out. Hold them down.
Oh, fuck.
Hold them down. It's fine. Wala namatay. Come back south. Look at Terry. Go through Terry. Look at north. We have engaged in 4 seconds. Hold lang. Let them in. Okay, boys, we're gonna engage hard north tayo in 2 seconds. Okay, in 5, in 4, hard north in 3, 2, 1. Hard north with me. Nice skills. Okay, boys, defensive. Nice defensive. Keep defensive. Come on, boys. Heal up. Keep healing. It's all good. Heal up. Go through second gate. Go back to the second gate. Restabilize second gate and look west side second gate. Dito with me. Okay, nice one, boys. It's fine. We lost like 3 guys. Boys, look low. Come with me. Look for the crown, boys. Okay, look, ha. We're gonna hit north. Hold. Okay, good. Guys, come out here to me. West side. Come out to gate, west side. Get ready, we're gonna counter northeast. Counter northeast tayo. Hold lang. They're gonna counter this. Hold. Okay, look southwest muna. Look southwest a bit. Kill this tank. Kill this tank. Kiss on this tank. Okay, come back. Okay, boys. We're gonna shallow engage. Northeast shallow engage in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown, and then come back. Okay, just kill what you can here. Why are they backing out? My laban kasi. Okay, boys. Restabilize on the choke. I need more info. Who's hitting who? Where is the locations?
They're just fully spread out for now, sir.
MR Alliance, please.
MR Alliance, okay. Hold. Let's restabilize. Kill what you can muna.
Nasira ata yung
Oh,
audio.
Byuk, look.
Okay, come back southwest. Come southwest. Back. Okay, get ready for defensive.
Northeast,
Do not give up this choke. Yeah. I want them to engage on the choke. Get ready. Hold lang tayo. Hold this choke. I don't want anyone to die here. Hold lang, hold lang, hold lang, hold lang, hold lang. Okay, boys, defensive, defensive, defensive. Ah! Fucking died!
Come southwest. Everybody counter. Notice. Notice shallow. 5, 4. Come. Inch up. Notice shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my crown. On my shield. Lumat ka na shield. Kabak. Masyado malayo yung DPS. Come southwest. Get your heals. Ditang sold them with me. Just hold. Just hold. Where's my DPS? May DPS na ba? 1? Wala na. Come southwest. 5 DPS na lang.
Sa kabila, northeast.
O kama dito lang kayo.
Just
Ba't
lost
kayo
pala.
naka sa northeast, guys? Hold here. Hold. Kamas. Kahit a bit. Easy unit to kahit a bit. I need to stabilize my party. Come, ano. Heal sa front. We're about to die. Just come to my ping. Find the shield. Fine.
Okay pong tanong.
Madami kang pansin, madaming Riggers pwede makadaan dahil sa ganker sa waist. Madami na dyan. Isang bulabra din.
Notice over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice over the wall, boys. Over the wall. Nice one. Good ship. Come back southwest.
Yung southeast, nag-aabang lang. Baka bumbayin tayo sa southeast.
Yeah, come northwest. Out northwest. Out northwest and out southwest. Northwest! Hello! Search! Where's my search? It's a northwest. Out northwest. What kind of southeast? Everybody northeast on the maze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the maze. Come back southwest. Defense, hold them with me. Give me defenses.
Silence.
Defense on us. Keep defenses. Everybody walk in northeast. Ditang sold them. Northeast, deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find my shield, push. Find my shield is good. Please. Then come back southwest. Stop. What the fuck? Give me heals up front. Ditang sold them. Give me heals up front. Keep healing the front. Heals on the front. Defense. Stabilize. Come now, inch up. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow, boys. Shallow on the joke. Come southwest. Hold here. Hold. Inch up with me. Okay, come back southwest. Asa ka si Will, naka-queue ka na naman. Defense! Si Bal, walang nagsabi nun, nasa southeast pala. Wait.
Kanina ko pa sinasabi na nasa southeast, nag-aabang lang.
Hindi yung sasabi ko na mag-aabang, yung gusto ko yung info ko mag-engage. Kamas. Huwag niya bulin.
I'm in levy. I'm with Clorox, my gankers.
Access on my ping. Come to my ping, Access.
Clorox.
Sir Will, sa gali ka daan, sa gali. Ikot ka talaga.
Wait lang, nagbabang
It's fine. Ganito lang, Clorox. Let me be the one to go in. My defensives kasi ako.
Just hold here.
Wait lang, nagbabang ako.
Ay na, 50% pa rin ako. Awit na yun.
Let them hit me. Pasok ka na. It's fine. They can't kill me.
Come northwest. Easy, come northwest. Where's Duke? Is it? Are they in northeast? Ano pa north?
Kevin, wala na sila skill nung dumaan ako. Taga tumahan.
Sino itong magbabang? Hold on spread. Everybody. Hold northeast. Everybody west, shallow. 5 on the gate. 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate, shallow. Come back fast.
Dito na ako.
Wala na, nasakit palong na yung loot. Palong ibang mo yan, 8.3 yan ni Jeff.
Actions, sa tower.
Just hold you.
Puno kasi ako kanina city, hindi na-trade mo ako.
Ano to, 3v1?
You have
Come to me.
yung mga healers. They're coming in. Nasa waist na.
Arjen.
DDZ, wait.
Just come banner. Where are you going?
Yeah, just come on banner. Come northeast. Yo, inside. Come inside. Maldito, come inside. Huwag niyo habulin yun, no. I need one death tank to scout, zone.
Zone?
They might bonk the zone is bonking
Eh,
northwest.
yun, one tap ang Jardin.
We gonna just focus on banner.
Okay, come northeast, come northeast.
Focus on the banner. I'm already...
Couple
Just
seconds,
go
man.
clear rocks,
Couple
just go clear rocks. CD sila.
Come northeast, and hold. Defenses be ready. Defenses be ready on the
Nice
choke.
one, boys.
Hold.
Puta tong
Just
mga
hold. Defense. Notice, counter, 5,
I'm
4,
at 20.
3, 2, 1. Notice, just on the choke. Drop everything on the choke. And hold. Don't let them touch the banner. Don't let them touch the banner. Hold. Nabubulol ako. Spread. Nice one, Aseptical. Push, motherfuckers, push. Aseptical
Main
side.
taas na is.
Yeah, push. Push, Come now, defense. Push,
So, that's what it is. One shot.
Main coming from southeast.
Putang ina, may mint pala. Putang ina, kames. Kimil sa band.
Go west, boys. Go west. We stabilize west. We stabilize west, boys. Okay, look with me, northeast. Oh no, come back west. Puta, nakuha na lang yung banner.
Cutthroat.
Boys, careful. Buke looking north. Come back southwest.
Level 17 yung ano, cutthroat, itong blob.
Northwest mo yung zone.
Okay.
Nakapasok pa sila.
Mint looking.
Okay, come back. Go inside second gate. Let them hit each other. Don't face check anyone. We're gonna get sandwich if we look at one side. Okay, stay at second gate.
Anong gamit mo, sir? Will 100 mace pa rin?
One hand mace kay GG ako dun sa goal lang. Lagi ako namamatay. Okay, look at... Where's Mint? Give me info on Mint.
Wait lang.
Juggernaut on the way.
Grabe naman tong dalawang guild na to.
Yawa, 3 guild yan.
Ito, cutthroat, sa likod nila.
4, puta.
Yo, ano to?
Resabilize na tayo. Resabilize.
Check kung siya makita. Because Kiko is looking at me.
Southeast daw yung mint. Northeast view. Northwest zone.
Tatlong front pinaharap pa natin, putang ina.
All goods yung southeast.
Okay. Okay, boys, look at... Puta
Where are we looking at, sir?
Magaan lang po.
What the fuck is wrong with these people? Bakit 4 sa atin? Hello, fight each other. Ang ina.
Okay, wait here. I need to see what they're doing. Mint is here.
Okay,
They're
pinupush
face checking zone.
Oh.
They're pushing zone. Okay, we look at Buke. We look at Buke in the north. Okay, boys, counter tayo. Help OM it. Okay, counter northeast, shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate lang. On the gate. And then come back. Come back, boys. Come back. Okay. Come back kami. Stabilize with me on the crown. On the crown, boys.
Mint on our northwest.
Okay, let them face check Buke. Okay, look at Buke on the northeast side. No, northeast. Wait lang. We're not engaging yet. Hold lang.
Babasag ang zone.
Hold. Okay, boys. We're gonna engage shallow. Engage shallow on the gate. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. With me. And come back. Defensive out, boys. Defensive out, boys. Hey, come back. Heels up front.
They're pushing.
Okay, boys. Look south muna. Kahit back south muna. Okay, look northwest. Engage your northwest. In 5. Full engage. 4,
They're running.
3, 2, 1. Full engage on the ground. On the ground. And then boys, hold them down dito on the gate. Hold them down on the gate. Do not let them
They're gonna counter, sir. They're gonna
Yeah. Get ready. Defensive out in the middle. Defensive out. Nice it. And come back. Kahit a bit southeast. Okay, we're gonna engage. Okay, boys, defensive out. Okay, boys, we're gonna counter this. Defensive out. We're gonna counter northwest in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. On the gate right now. On the gate. And then come back. Do not engage there. Look east. We have engaged in 15 seconds. Hold. Look east.
Sira yung ano, northeast.
Yeah, look east. Suck with me on the ground. On the ground here. On the center. Okay, we're gonna engage channel on the gate. 5, 4,
Looking again, they're looking.
2, 1, on the gate, just on the gate, and come back, defensive up, nice defensive, come back south, we have engaged in 15 seconds, look northwest,
They're still on the mage.
okay, boys, we're gonna need to commit sa west,
Broken yung northeast ha, broken na.
yeah, boys, we're gonna have to commit we're gonna commit east, look east, okay, OMH, engage kayo, OMH, you can engage on the choke, yeah, engage northeast if you can.
Zone is reaching up as well.
Look east, Death tanks west side, okay, boys, we're gonna engage northeast, full commit northeast, defensive up, full commit northeast in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1, northeast on the choke, push them out now, full commit, push them out northeast, full push northeast, you cannot stay in the middle, push all the way in, northeast, heals, Heels, okay, boys, heels in the middle, southwest, heels, look northeast again, defensive, we got fucking sandwiched. Get out, they are hand-holding these motherfucking dogs, they're hand-holding.
Sabay sila nag-engage
Getting
from
chased,
northeast tsaka
fucking hell.
northwest.
Get out, these fucking dogs, man.
Run, circles, run.
I'm getting
Takes
chased.
2 alliances to deal with us. Grow some balls, man.
Tatlong alliance, bali.
For real, I might need help.
Boys, please help circles. Ping.
Pink ka. Sige, mapunta sa'yo.
Sacrifice, boys, battle mount yan.
Sige, on the way ako.
Inigyan nila ako.
Okay na ba rin?
Sana.
Trying to run.
Uy, Kipo! Takbo lang, Kipo!
Takbo lang, kipo.
Okay.
Kipo, takbo.
Boys,
I need help.
handhold dogs.
Dito! Sumunod ka! Dito!
I'm dead.
Talaga,
Oh my god.
talaga may
hold
buti
them.
mo.
Up, dito! Puta ka na, dami.
Nasaan si Kipo? Paping. Wag na.
Okay, I'm good.
Sige, takbo lang, Kipo. Takbo lang.
Yeah, just prioritize circles, just go.
Okay naman,
Sige, Kipo. Takbo lang. Sige.
They're trying to kill me.
Pasok ka ng ano. Kipo, gusto pasok ka ng ano.
Aval roads or bush, do something.
Tulungan nyo, I'm gonna die.
Tulungan nyo.
I'm gonna die.
Tulong dito, hey.
Dapat pumasok ka na
Somebody
ng
have
miss,
circles.
Kipo. Dapat pumasok ka ng miss, Kipo.
I'm good.
Okay, nice.
gago yan.
Hanapan mo siya ng miss, pupu.
Pero nang miss nakabukas dun eh. May miss na lang.
Aba na lang. Ayan, miss.
Uy!
Ayun. Kasan?
Mag-aaba ka talaga.
Haba na lang.
Uy, sumusunod yung all the villains sa kanya eh.
Gilang.
I-bank mo na! I-bank mo sa open world! Bank!
Yan mo na, tingnan
Hindi niya mabank if hindi siya nakaswap.
Putang na, di ko matutulungan si Kipo. Wala nang ano.
Gilang.
Oh, it's fine. Naka-aval road na.
Di mo magagang kagaya sa aba. Mahirap yung gank ng ano. Battle mo sa aba.
Dapat naka-proper gank gear sila.
Puta naka ano.
Naka one shot build yun eh.
Tumatay si Kipo.
Hindi,
No, wala pa.
Hindi nila abutan yan.
Hindi nila mana.
Good luck, hindi mo maabutan.
Intense si Kupo.
Di kasi
Okay lang.
may miss na kasi nakabukas, di pumasok.
Hindi, okay lang.
No. Kipo is still alive.
Marunong naman yan umalis. Kung marunong naman siya, kalma mo lang.
Nice,
Yung ano ka.